It's about 8 p.m. in Cape Town and thousands have already gathered for what would be a colorful night. Shortly afterwards, a celebratory mood engulfs the city with the night sky ablaze with an exhilarating show of fireworks.
I think Guy Fawkes is like a lovely event to celebrate and stuff, and it's good to come with friends and families and just enjoy the moment.
It's really nice because we get to see all the fireworks that South Africans came up with.
The Gunpowder Treason Day was its name before it became customary to burn an effigy of Guy Fawkes on the day, thus its name. While to some the holiday has lost its connection to its political and religious origins, some Commonwealth countries, South Africa included, still celebrate Guy Fawkes Day with elaborate fireworks displays and bonfires. Leslie Mirungu, CCTV.